Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss an update from Super Ignition. On one side, there are people like us. No matter how much money we earn or save, we still struggle financially at the end of each month. And on the other side, there are rich people like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. No matter how much money they spend or give away, they are still rich. But why is it so? And what is the secret of getting rich? Well, it all comes down to this one simple thing called financial education. We often learn to manage money from our friends and family members who themselves are poor. And when I say poor, I mean a poor man's mentality. For example, a person with a poor man's mindset has a single source of income, usually his salary, and spends all his money on monthly expenses. Now these expenses could be as basic as food and rent, or as luxurious as credit cards, EMI payments and card loans. Most of the people around us fall into this category, and no matter how much money they earn, at the end of each month, they always struggle financially. Such people are considered to be poor because no matter how rich they might look, in reality their pockets are always empty at the end of each month. Now, when it comes to middle class mentality, these are people who are left with some extra money at the end of each month. But the problem is that they don't know what to do with this extra money. They use this money to buy liabilities. Now, liabilities in simple words is something that takes money out of your pocket at the end of each month. For example, a middle class person loves to buy that latest iPhone on EMI or buy that luxurious car on a car loan. Basically, they only have money for the down payment but not for the whole amount. Because of which this liability adds up to their monthly expense, and within no time the middle class person buys so much liabilities that his expenses becomes equal to his income and he becomes a poor person. The rich on the other hand don't like to buy liabilities but prefer to buy assets instead. Now assets are the opposite of liabilities. They put money in your pocket without you actually working on it. For example, you could earn money from a property which you are given out for rent, or from dividends after purchasing a stock, or even from this YouTube video. You see, every month, even though I'm not working, this video will keep on generating money via YouTube's ad revenue. And if you just open up your mind and be a little bit more creative, you will notice that assets are all around you. And the rich, they just love creating assets. Cause every month, as their asset count increases, so does their income, as every asset contributes a little more amount into their income. And within no time, you will have so much of money coming from assets that you will no longer need your primary source of income. And this, my friend, is the secret of getting rich, and is the exact same formula how Bill Gates, Warren Buffett and many others like them got rich. Guys, I learned this secret from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and which according to me is the best book on financial education. I have left an Amazon link in the description box below cause I want you guys to read this book and learn all the great ideas which I couldn't cover in this short video, cause I strongly believe that you could be the next billionaire if you truly want it and believe in yourself. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, press the like button and check out these other great videos.